Sir, kailan po nagsisimula ang right to counsel ng isang taong inaresto ng pulis?
So guys, actually po, as far as due process is concerned, yung taong inimbestigahan ng pulis, hinuli, and he was put on jail at kinasuhan, ay dapat magkaroon ng isang counsel or attorney na magiging tagapagtanggol niya in the long run during trial in court. No? Tandaan natin, yung right to counsel is an absolute right. It cannot be waived. Hindi pwede na walang abogado yung taong inimbestigahan, hinuli, or mayroong kaso sa korte. Sinasabi po ng batas, if the arrested person or the accused cannot afford to hire a lawyer, the government will provide him one for free. Diyan na po mapapasok yung mga services ng mga PAO lawyer natin. So continue watching po sa aking channel para tutorial videos.